What's up YouTube, this is Odd Raven here today with another Yu-Gi-Oh! Booster box. This time the new legendary duelist soulburning volcano. There's quite a few archetypes in this deck, well, in this deck, this booster box, so hopefully it goes well. Also thank you guys for showing me support on my latest openings. Means a lot. Oh. Oh, battle box and cross counter, eh? Cool. So yeah, as you've seen, I'm going through all the routes, Jesus. All the, CC club trading card games, and if I got My Hero Academia, now you've got Yu-Gi-Oh! That's cool. And you will be getting more Yu-Gi-Oh! You're also gonna be getting Digimon. Ooh, Salmon Grill Fire. Yeah, more Yu-Gi-Oh! And Digimon. And I will be including some Pokemon there. Like I would do some Magic of the Gathering, because I have got some like 2 decks of that. So I was going to get into it, but oh Jesus Christ, it costs a lot for that. Even though these aren't cheap, but you know, they're video doable, if that makes sense. Ooh, Fire Ejection. That's a cool card. The main card I'm looking for is a Ghost Rare in this. That's I get it, but you know. Be well. Oh, jeez, bloody Christ. Ooh, my mistake, lads and girls. Be cool though, wouldn't it? It'll also be my first Ghost Rare as well. How am I doing this? Jujutsu Kaisen stuff. Ooh, Volcanic Emperor. So yeah, well, what can I say? It's got a lot of cool cards. This is mainly for like the 3 new archetypes, I believe. You got the 3, God, I'm thinking of the wrong booster box, Jesus. This is mainly of old decks, just reprinted, like the, Volcanic, the Summons, and yeah, God. My brain's just not computing for that, is it? Yeah, Salmon, great. That's cool. They're enough identical. Ooh, Balance Boxer, King Dempsey, eh? Last pack on the right side. Ooh, Balance Box and Cross Counter. That's cool. I don't think I've come across any of the others yet. Oh, volcanic inferno. So, thank you guys for watching my videos. It does mean a lot to me, actually, that people are actually somewhat enjoying my video, like what I'm currently doing. Hopefully you guys like the future content planned and Salmon Great Tiger. Cool. Also, if you guys like want to make suggestions, type in the comments what you'd like to see me open, and hopefully it's in my mediocre price range. Volcanic Plays Accelerator. I don't think I got any secret rares yet. That's if this comes with secret rares, I forgot. I don't think it does. I mean, looking at what I've got so far, no. Lol. Balance box and cross counter. Yeah, it's probably the quickest booster box I've gotten through. Ooh, balance box of promoter. Salmon Grey Weasel, cool. Balance box uppercut. Uppercuts are actually. Getting on to the last 2 packs now. Let's hope all the cards are in our favour, eh? Doesn't look like it. All the cards are naff this amount. Legit. And 7th Force. Cool. We'll put you in the wrong one then. Oh. So, quick recap of the cards. As we've gone through them all. Jesus, that was quick. 7th Force. And core cards to be used. Bound Boxer, Supercut. Honestly, for the life of me, I cannot think why they're gold. For the lich, I can't think for the life of me. They're the SR, the super rares, I think. Well, looks like I've made a blunder somewhere. Doesn't surprise me. At least it gives you guys something to look at whilst you think, what the hell is this guy's doing? You know? But yeah, literally. And luckily it's a quick recap of the cards. Like, they're all cool cards. Definitely see myself building a deck around these. Wow. There's a lot of phenomenal cards. Definitely seeing the Solomon Great deck being built after this. Maybe a combination between Solomon Great and Balance Boxing. Sounds like a cool combo to prefer. No, I'd definitely try it. That's if they work. I'll see here if I can get that to work. Be a cool concept. That's a quick recap, wasn't it? Well, for them anyway. These are the rares. Ooh. There's a lot of cool cards. A lot of battling boxes for the XYZs, which is phenomenal to see. Also seeing some link cards for the Solomon Great, which is cool to see and look at. Look at him. Ooh. They're all going ham, especially a volcanic emperor. Ooh. Solomon Great Tiger, wow. Seven Falls, Weasel, Fire Ejection. God, phenomenal cards. Well, ladies and gents, I do hope you guys have enjoyed this opening the same as me, and I'll catch you, ladies and gents, on the next opening. Catch you guys on the flip side. Peace.